Okay, we have been over inserting your account credentials into the database, entering listings data manually into the database, and importing your listings from your Mercari account to the database. And as you know, this is the database view. Anyway, now the next big step is to understand how to automate the relisting of your listings. Right now in the database, you can see one listing. This one was manually inserted into the database, and these 4 were extracted from your Mercari account. So you can see their next posting time is less than the current time because this time is when they were inserted into the database. When they are inserted with the database, only the current time is set as the next portion time. The time right now is 8:57 p.m. When I run the autopilot, if we look at the time of the listings inside the database, the next relisting time of the listing inside the database, and it's going to take out the listings that have the posting time less than the current time. And when this listing, let's suppose, gets posted, if it's posted at 9 o'clock p.m., since our relisting is 1440 minutes, which corresponds to 24 hours, this next relisting time will be set as 9 o'clock p.m. tomorrow, which is the 1st of April. Let's start the autopilot and see how it goes. In fact, before starting the autopilot, I would like to tell you about a few more options over here, which are these 2 checkboxes. When you start the autopilot, after enabling that, it will delete a listing before relisting the new one. And this checkbox, when enabled, it will disable the listing from relisting through Autopilot when it's sold. Okay, this checkbox is only available when you are deleting your previous listings. Let's just disable the deletion of all listings and start the autopilot. We will post a couple of listings, then stop the autopilot, then run it. We will post 169 and 170. It will, of course, list them in one order. So it picked 4 or 5 listings, and now it's posting 169. 169 is being posted at 8:59 p.m. If I show you my Mercari account, currently it has not popped up. Once it's posted, to pop up over here. This program, this auto lister, it automatically formats your pictures for posting. I will show you the formatted pictures as well. Okay, it's posted now. If I refresh my account, I should be able to see this listing. And I also want to tell you I've deliberately put in a 2-minute delay between individual postings. These 5 listings will be listed with a 2-minute delay in between. Okay, I have this Nike hoodie in there. Like you can see, it has 4 pictures that I showed you in the previous video. It's large, Nike. You can see it's in athletic apparel like I showed you, the category I selected. So, Nike hoodie, black hoodie, everything is as I specified. And it's free shipping. The reason it's free shipping is because if I go to the edit listing, because the seller ships it, so it's basically free shipping anyway. And its listing ID has also been calculated as 95044 7250 95044. Since it was posted at 8:59 p.m. today, its next listing time is tomorrow, 8:59 p.m. So the database scan, that will happen on autopilot after 8:59 p.m. This listing will automatically be picked and relisted unless you disable it. I'll show you how to enable and disable listings from posting in the next video. As for the images, I was telling you it automatically formats. You can see the formatted images over here. It formats as required by the auto lister, so it formats your images, so you don't have to format them manually. Okay, now it's posting the listing 170. It is being posted at 9 or 1 p.m. Once it's posted, this next time will be tomorrow, 9 or 2 o'clock p.m. I'm not sure because it will be posted at 9 or 2 p.m. today. Okay, it's posted now. If I look at the database, the listing ID has been updated to the new listing ID and its next realistic time as tomorrow's 9 or 2 p.m. What I'll do before relisting and what it's going to do since I recorded these listing IDs when I was importing these automatically, these listings will be deleted. So let me go to this listing first. And so that when it posts, I can refresh the page and I can show you that it was done. So now I'm going to start the autopilot with deletion option. If we click these three listings, these three, 171172173. So it has picked three listings. It's going to delete the 171171 1080. Okay, it's deleted and now it's posting it. Now if I refresh it, this one, 080, at the end, okay, the listing is gone. Item is no longer available, and when I refresh my database after it's posted, it got posted. If I refresh my database, I should see iPhone 7 Plus Clear Case Transparent. And this 171 listing is iPhone 7 Plus Clear Case, Case Clear, Transparent. There you go. So similarly, when you select this Disable Relisting when sold, since I have no sold listings in my account right now, I can't show you. But I will try to show you in future videos how this affects it. So it comes in handy when you are selling only one item of a particular type. But if you're selling multiple items, then I recommend disabling the deletion before relisting as well. As you know, disabling relisting when sold. That's everything about the autopilot. And yes, there is another way of, well, let me stop the autopilot. So to keep the listings posting automatically, you need to keep the autopilot running and your PC on. However, if you turn off the autopilot, turn the PC off in the future, when you turn on the PC and start the autopilot, it will pick up the listings that have the date and time less than the current time, and it will start posting them automatically. So it's all about what you want to happen. If you want to save power, you can turn the PC off and, let's say since I know my listings have been posted and these are to be posted tomorrow, I should turn off my PC, and tomorrow after 9 o'clock p.m., I will come over and run my app and start off by automatically relisting these listings. All right, since the autopilot has stopped, yep, the process completed, and now I'm going to show you can individually post the listings as well. Let's say I want to, let me disable delete for relisting. Even if I keep delete before relisting, and I want to relist only this listing, not on the autopilot, but manually, what I can do is I can select this listing anywhere. I can click on the listing, I can click on the listing ID, or I can click on the title. I will just select that and click Post Listing button. Once I do that, it will only list this listing, and you should see all the messages over here in this window. Okay, so it's listing ID 172, which is iPhone 8 clear case, and it's listing it at 9:10 p.m. Okay, so its listing time has been calculated as 9:10 p.m. tomorrow based on this value, and you can see that the new listing ID has been selected as well. If I refresh my listing page, I should be able to see iPhone 8 clear case. So this is another way where you can individually select the listings and post them. If you don't prefer using the Autopilot, you can do this. These listings have times auto-posted, the count as well. Sorry this video's kind of long, but I had to explain all the features of AutoLister. So that's it. That's all about listing your listings. Coming up, I will show you how to use the Edit Listing, Delete Listing, Skew Search, Edit Credentials, Delete Credentials, and editing your Mercari username and password, as well as things like disabling and enabling listings manually. Okay, thank you.